Hi, I'm Ginger Burr from Total Image Consultants, and it's time for another Front Porch Catwalk. All right, so have you ever had the experience where you see somebody wearing something, or there's a style that's really popular and you think, oh, I want to wear that. And you put it on and you look at yourself and you go, oh geez, that just so doesn't work. Well, I have this happen a lot because, as you probably know right now, what's really in style is a bohemian look. Very free-spirited, bohemian, easy, loosey-goosey, and boy, oh boy, that sure is not me. And yet, I'm very attracted to that style. Every once in a while, and I encourage you not to give up, like I haven't, every once in a while I find a piece that exudes that particular feeling for me, and I combine it with other pieces that are more in my style, and I make it all work together. So I'm going to show you my take on bohemian that works for me, and you probably also have noticed that I have two different earrings on, both from the fabulous Karen Hallaby, and I can just change them depending on what my mood is. But I want you to take a look at this and see what you think, and then apply these kinds of things to your own personal style. So get ready.